Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be testing out the Insignia speakers. These are color changing, they are Bluetooth, and you can also hook them up to like a laptop or PC. So these retail for about $30. I'll totally link in the description. We're going to see how good a pair of $30 speakers sound and if they're worth it. In the back it shows you features and stuff that are included as well as demonstration. Box, we're going to go and open this. No tape. So it comes in like this. Cardboard. Let's get on with the boring stuff. Setup guide. If you know where that's from, leave a comment. Alright, so we have a AC adapter connected already for power. Right here we have a 3.5 auxiliary cable. Nicely packaged. This one is not gold plated. I mean, it's only 30 bucks, but very difficult. We do need the knife after all. Alright, we got one out. You have a driver here, it's covered in plastic. You have a Bluetooth button. The headphone jack plugs in perfectly. I don't know why they made a hole there. Volume adjuster, as well as power probably. The light, and you also have an auxiliary port. It came out a lot easier. Okay, so this one looks similar. This one is the main source here. You have the Bluetooth button and everything else. And then right here wrapped up, you just have more cable and more cable right here. Let's put this away. So they are turned on. As you can see, they're basically Bluetooth speakers, so you can hook them up. But they look really nice so far. Red, purple, yellow, blue, or like a light blue. And the cycle. And turn off. So I think it's 6 colors. Yeah, 6 colors, and then you have the rainbow. I'm gonna leave it on red, I guess. See how good they sound. I'm gonna use the Bluetooth setting first. Alright, so I guess we just press the Bluetooth button. Okay, we're finally connected. Let's go ahead and put a song on. So these are on Bluetooth, I believe. Yeah. So you can adjust the volume on either your phone, on Bluetooth, or the speakers, or both, because they're separate. I don't know why, but the right speaker is making like a weird after each beat. And when I hold down the speaker a little bit, it stops. So I don't know if it's the speaker drive is loose or what, because it's, I don't know, it's weird. Even if I do it lightly, it'll stop, or if it's not even all the way up. I think that fixed it. Yeah, it fixed it. So it wasn't all the way in, but other than that, the speakers sound decent. For 30 bucks, you get some nice looking speakers, and it'll go really good with the RGB setup in the office room. So really nice speakers overall. waste an outlet. You can just put it in your PC or laptop and you're good to go. Speakers, USB powered, really nice LEDs here. I like the LEDs. They are not very bright. They're nice and subtle, but once again, they're only 30 bucks, so they sound good, they look good, they don't look cheap, they don't feel cheap either. Yeah, they don't look cheap. Compared to other speakers, these are really good. They don't have, this is technically the bass, this is the drive here, but overall really good speakers. And they also have some rubber feet on the bottom, so pretty good for 30 bucks, not gonna lie. This video, make sure you like, comment, and of course do subscribe for more videos just like this. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so your subscribe would mean a lot to me. And thank you guys for watching.